Hey, paisanis, welcome to the Italian Guys Food Tour. Tonight we're trying something, again, a little different. We got new cheezit grooves. This time, it's in zesty cheddar ranch. See how interesting this is. Zesty cheddar ranch, cheezit grooves. Alright, that's the box. Smell test time. Not getting much there. Let's pull a couple of these bad Larrys out. There you go, baby. Alright, so see what we got. Pop those back on there. Groove it time, baby. Groove it time. Alright, so in the video they look a little more cheesier than they should, but these are zesty cheddar ranch. Wow. Okay, so let me have another one fresh. Okay. So, the grooves, you definitely get a very pleasant, and you taste more of the ranch than the cheddar. The zesty cheddar, I don't know. So much flavor, it's a mind crunch. There is a lot of flavor in here, that's for sure. 100% real cheese. Try these next level flavors. Oh baby. Alright, so I'm gonna say the better of the flavors in these are gonna be the zesty ranch, or the ranch, I'll say. The zesty cheddar is a secondary flavor, almost as strong as the ranch. But this is really a ranch chip with a slightly warm flavor coating over the zesty or the ranch. So you're gonna get more ranch flavor out of this. If that's what you're looking for, this is the chip for you. Very nice. And yes, Sally, they're not too salty. It's okay, go try some of these. You know, Sally, I'll tell you right off the bat, you're my #1 fan. We love you back here at the Italian Guys Food Tour. Absolutely. Anyways, you can tell it in my face. I pop one of these bad Larrys in there, and you get one of those looks. Don't even bother. Just erase that from the video for you. But these are pleasantly ranched, lightly cheddared flavor. A little zesty, but it's mainly a ranch chip. The best thing about this, it's not too powerful. It really is just right. In fact, these are the kind of chips. Get your favorite beverage. Grab a box of these. It's movie time, babies. That's right. Anyways, I wouldn't have tried these if I wasn't doing the Italian Guys Food Tour. But anyways, good stuff. I don't know. I think they're a 2 for $5, something like that. They're good. Manja. Eat up, baby. Thank you for watching the Italian Guys Food Tour. Thank you for subscribing. And there's more good stuff coming. Have a good night. Good night, Sally. Take it easy.